we are going to move all the pictures from OneDrive cloud storage to a new folder on our computer. First, we have to have a place to put the pictures that are in the cloud storage. So I'm looking at my desktop, and you see my mouse cursor rolling around. I'm going to place my mouse cursor on just a blank space on my desktop. On the right hand side of my mouse, there's a right click right button. I'm going to right click that button. Right click the mouse button. A menu appeared. I see the word on that menu that says new. I'm going to place my cursor just rested on that word new. And another menu appeared. On that menu, I see the word folder. I'm going to place my cursor on the word folder, and I'm going to left click. A new folder will appear. Left click the mouse button. A new folder appeared, and there it is, and it's named new folder. Now we have a place to put our pictures that are in the cloud storage into the new folder, and we're going to move them all at one time, and it's going to take about 30 seconds to move 1,000 pictures. We don't move them. We're not going to download them. That is the end of this how to create a new folder on your desktop. The end.